Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Polly Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you my Coach Mollie Tote in Pebble Leather, and it's in the color Sedona Redwood. The moment I saw this bag, I was stunned. How beautiful is this bag? It is so gorgeous. So it's in pebbled leather. It's very easily, one of the reasons I love pebbled leather is because it's such an easy leather to clean. If anything spills on it, you just need a soft cloth and seltzer water and you just wipe it off. That's why I really love it. And it's a very durable leather. So we have gold tone hardware. You have the Coach logo here. All the hardware is in gold. The strap is a 10¼ inch drop, perfect for shoulder wear. I usually just carry it on the crook of my arm. There are no outside pockets. I do love how the gusset comes out that way. Such a structured bag, an elegant looking bag. It is so gorgeous. So let me just take out all this stuffings and then we'll chat about the bag. This bag is not lined at all. It's unfinished. Only the middle zipper is inside. That inside compartment is lined, but we'll get to that in a moment. So here is the the back compartment. Front compartment. And then you have your zip top closure, which is in gold zipper, and your zip pull is also gold, and I can't get this plastic off it. Okay, here we go. Really nice and easy zipper. And there we go. There's the fabric lining only in the zipper compartment, along with a multifunction pocket. That's your slip pocket. That's the only pocket. This is not a bag for organization. This is a tote that you just throw your stuff in and go. It is a stylish bag. It's very structured. This is gorgeous. Look at that. It is a gorgeous bag. If you put it to sit on the table or anywhere, it will sit perfectly. The measurements are 13 inches in length, 11 inches in height, and 5¾ in width. It's 13¼ in length. The style number is 1671, and again, the color is Sedona Redwood. How stunning is this color? This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Now, this is something that I could just run errands with. Your cute little jeans, nice little tee, and you're on the go. It is a perfect, perfect bag. And this color will suit any outfit. It is so beautiful. I am so glad that I picked this up. I may just go back for the one that looks like the Caribbean blue. It's so stunning. But I quickly wanted to share this with you. What do you think? Isn't it a stunning bag? I know you must be thinking, Pauline, I thought you said you're not shopping anymore. I did. At the time I said it, and this is only between us. And if you tell anyone else, I'll know, because this is just between us. When I said that I'm not buying anything else for the rest of the year, I think this was already ordered. And if you believe that, I've got a Brooklyn bridge to sell you. Okay. As of right now there are some things coming in, but as of right now, I think this is it. I'm not buying any more for the rest of the year. I am just going to use what I have, enjoy what I have, and I'm not buying anything else. And I just want to put that out there because you all will keep me accountable. But again, just remember there are other things out there that are on the way to me. So those, they don't count. So I just want to let you know that. But you know, after today, not counting the stuff that's already on this way to me, I'm not buying anything else. And I just wanted to let you know that. So what we're going to do, both of us, we're going to hold each other accountable. We're not going to be shopping anymore. We're just going to enjoy what we have. Deal? We've got a deal, right? Let's shake on it. Okay. Because this is stunning. Okay, with the exceptions of, I should say this, I'm not going to shop anymore with the exceptions of major holidays. Just and birthdays for my friends and family. Those are the exceptions. But I wanted to quickly share this with you. If you want it, you need to run, don't walk. Go ahead and get this. You will not be sorry. This is a perfect bag for running errands. This is a perfect work bag. This is just a bag if you want to just take this to the office, if you want to take this to service, night service, if you want to take this out for cocktails or for meeting your girlfriends, it is a perfect bag. It is so beautiful and so stunning. And I just wanted to share that with you. What do you think? Is this something that you'd be interested in? You should be. It is so light though. It is such a light bag. And I just know that you will love it. I'm not saying you should buy it. I'm just saying that you would love it if you bought it. Those are two different things. But how can you look at this gorgeous, beautiful, supple bag and not want it? Look at that. I'm such an enabler. I own it. I own it. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time. Goodbye.